Today's video, we're going to be replacing a crank sensor in Matt's G6. Pretty simple procedure. If you don't know, it is just one bolt and it just unplugs. Seems simple enough, but the main problem is, the reason most people would watch this video, and I say probably you too, where the hell do you find the crank sensor? Well, I'm going to show you right now, quick and easy. Pretty much, this is your filter. You have one big sensor right here, and hidden behind, over from that sensor, right in here, is this sensor. The wires, these two, right here goes to your crank sensor. It's just one 8mm bolt. You can use a extension, ratchet, just like this, and loosen that bolt and pull it out, and carefully insert your new crank sensor. It's that simple, so I'm going ahead and do this. I dropped my bolt. It wasn't a 8mm. You can see the bolt. It's right there. But anyway, the new one comes with a bolt, so that one's fine. I ain't worried about it. Now, gently, just should be able to just tug this thing out. Never so gently, is it? So it's stuck. So I'm going to have to work it a little. Sometimes you can take pliers in there and clamp onto it and just twist it till it comes out. You don't want to tug too hard on these wires because they will pull out and then you'll be in a mess. So don't do that. Get you some pliers or something, stick in there and just grab hold of it. That's what I'm going to do. And if it ain't an 8mm, it's a 5/16. Which the new one is an 8 and the other one's a 5/16. Go figure. My phone's blurry. Out of focus. I don't have that two-tap on. Once you get that, guys, it's pretty simple. Just we assemble it the same way you removed it, plug it in, get it out, turn your key, it should start. Matt, I thought it should start. That's how you install a crank sensor. Now, it ain't a crank sensor issue now. We actually got a fuel pump issue now. So we're going to have to put a fuel pump in this. It should start any moment, hopefully. Pump your gas, like it's carburetor. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this how-to video on how to install your crank sensor. Maybe how to install a fuel pump coming soon. Hit that subscribe button, drop me a like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.